Well, there goes my brother's GTI. We actually just finished up some maintenance items on his car, and we'll be doing his oil change and mine next in the near future. But right now, as I pick up the STI, we'll be flushing the brakes. I noticed the pedal getting squishy at times, and I noticed the right rear caliper screw was leaking a little when I was changing out my wheels. So I figured this would be a good time to do them again. It's been about 6 months since I last bled them. Service manual says every 30,000 miles or once a year. And if you track your car or drive it hard with like back roads, canyon stuff, or whatever, you definitely should be doing it more frequently. I think fresh brakes are a top tier feeling. Okay, so not the cleanest of engine bays, but I will say I do really like the way the EJ is laid out. Everything is kind of right there, except for the spark plugs. That's just garbage. Which I didn't show it in the video, but I also did end up bleeding my clutch, and it wasn't too bad. It's actually right under the top mount, so as soon as you get that off, you can get to it right there. So just showing that the brake fluid actually looks pretty good. Sometimes you can't go just off looks, but either way, I'm going to change it. So to do this, I'm using this pressure bleeder from Amazon. It worked pretty good last time. Some cleaning stuff and an 11mm wrench and ratchet as well to do the initial break on the bleeder screws. I'm using this Liquid Moly .4, seems to work out pretty good. I've had no issues. So the bleed procedure on the VA STIs is kind of different than on previous cars. As you can see here, it goes in a circle starting at the right front and ending at the right rear. And then it goes inside bleeder first and the outside, which that part makes sense. And I'll leave this up here for a second so you can take a look. So the bleeder is pretty easy to use. You just connect to the master cylinder. I poured in the entire bottle and I pretty much set it to about 15 psi and just periodically checked in and pumped it up once or twice. Super easy to use, and it makes bleeding your brakes by yourself really not that bad. Well, here I am getting going. Overall, this was pretty easy, a bit time consuming, but more than worth it. So here's the caliper in question. As you can see, it ate through the paint a little bit. Eventually I'll get it repaired. I'll probably get them powder coated. It didn't cause too much damage, and for the most part, the wheel will hide it. And I'm definitely glad I decided to take a look, because I did find that the left side was also leaking, and it was weird because it's both outer rears, and I'm not sure what happened. I must have not gone back over them one last time to like double check that they were tight. This is where my camera dies, but I take the car down and I torque the wheels down to 89 foot-pounds. I wanted to include a cold start, and afterwards I went to the car wash to clean up the car a bit. And so I'll be posting a bunch of maintenance related items as some of them are due. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you could, please like, share, and subscribe.